Do you feel that stabbing pain in your heel the moment your foot touches the floor each morning? That sharp, burning sensation with your very first steps is one of the most common and frustrating foot problems seniors face. It is called plantar fasciitis, and it can make every single step feel like a challenge. But gentle, consistent stretching can bring real relief. Let us take care of your feet together, right now, from the comfort of your chair. Exercise 1 is called the seated toe stretch. An elderly woman sits tall in a sturdy chair and crosses her right foot gently over her left knee. She wraps her fingers around her toes and slowly pulls them back toward her shin, feeling a deep stretch along the entire bottom of her foot. A senior woman sitting and gently pulling her toes back shows how targeted and relieving this stretch truly is. Hold for 10 slow seconds, then release. Repeat 5 times on each foot. Breathe deeply and steadily throughout. Doing this before your feet ever touch the floor in the morning can dramatically reduce that first step pain. Exercise 2 is the calf stretch at the wall. An old man stands facing a wall with both palms flat against it for support. He steps his right foot back, keeping that heel firmly pressed into the floor. He leans his body gently forward, feeling the stretch move up through his calf and into his heel. A senior man pressing his heel into the floor during a calf stretch shows how important this connection is. Hold for 20 slow seconds. Only lean as far as comfortable. Switch legs and repeat. Tight calf muscles pull directly on the heel and make plantar fasciitis significantly worse. Exercise 3 is the towel foot roll. An elderly woman sits in her chair and places a small rolled towel or water bottle on the floor beneath her right foot. She slowly rolls her foot forward and back over the towel, from her heel to the ball of her foot. A senior woman smiling while rolling her foot over a towel on the floor shows how soothing this gentle massage feels. Do this for 1 full minute on each foot. Keep your pressure soft and comfortable, never painful. This movement breaks up tension along the bottom of the foot and increases healing circulation. Exercise 4 is the warm foot soak ritual. An old woman sitting in a cozy chair places both feet into a basin of warm water, closing her eyes and breathing deeply. She lets the warmth soften the tight tissue in her heels and arches for 10 full minutes. A senior woman soaking her feet in warm water in peaceful evening light shows how restorative this simple habit truly is. Adding a handful of Epsom salts can bring even more relief. Make this your nightly ritual. Your feet carry you everywhere, every single day, and they deserve this gentle, healing care. You have just done something deeply kind for your feet and your whole body today. A senior woman standing up from her chair and walking comfortably across a sunny room shows what consistent daily stretching can achieve over time. Heel pain does not have to be your normal. You have the tools to change how your feet feel. Keep going, keep stretching, and be proud of every step forward. Subscribe to Daily Senior for your daily dose of vitality.